When I was small, I used to play piano, and ever since then, I knew I was more of a wind instrument person. Oh, what the? There have been a lot of instruments I wanted to try. I basically wanted to try every instrument in the band. There was this one song we listened to, and it had a flute in it. And I thought, what if quarantine is the time that I go ahead and try some of these wind instruments that I've always wanted to try. So guys, cut this part too. Oh! Oh. Okay, so they're big red fragile letters on here. Let's go ahead and crack these open. Oh. Oh, you're only supposed to open one side. Ooh. So we didn't purchase a super high-end one, obviously, because most likely I'm probably not going to be good at this. But look at that. Glory? What does it say? I don't know. People at my school used to have this, I think. It looks familiar. What's in here? Oh, the accessories pocket. Why am I having difficulties with this? Yeah, it's like pretty much exactly a tiny bassoon case. Ooh. Oh, what is this? The mouthpiece? Oh my gosh. Okay, is this grease? Whoa, that is shiny. Let's check out the big one. There's something else in there. Yep, it's a swab stick. I don't know if that's what you actually call it, but I think you're also supposed to remove these red things. And then the mouthpiece, guys. Well, that was pretty cool, not gonna lie. Let's take a look at the accessories pocket. I will leave a link for this flute in the description, I guess. Oh my gosh! Yes! It comes with gloves, guys. That's all you need in life. Gloves with a flute. Oh yeah. They're tiny though. Why is the pinky so long? Do you guys have pinkies that are as long as your fourth finger? I'm gonna go and take those out. Let's keep looking. Oh! Sling back strap, so you can sling the whole case over your shoulder. Oh, what the? Complimentary screwdriver. Oh my gosh, guys. This is insane. You get a screwdriver and gloves. Okay, this I assume is the swab. Is that it? That was it. Okay, I'm gonna set it up and I'm gonna try to learn how to do this thing because I don't know how to blow into one of these. I'm gonna figure out, what is this? It is grease. What do you call it? Cork grease? I mean, I guess it's metal grease or flute grease. This is kind of exciting, learning the instrument. Oh, I almost just broke it. So yeah, let me go ahead and figure this out. And I'll be back once I learn how to play 2 notes. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. That's like Christmas.